Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn waves and sound together, step by step. A wave is a traveling disturbance that carries energy from place to place without carrying the material itself. Watch a cork bob on a pond. The wave moves outward, but the water just rises and falls. Wavelength is the distance between two crests. Frequency counts how many waves pass each second in hertz, and amplitude is the wave's height, which tells us how much energy it carries. Sound is a longitudinal wave, meaning the air squeezes and stretches back and forth along the same direction the wave travels. A vibrating speaker pushes air into compressions and rarefactions that ripple to your ear. Frequency controls pitch. Fast vibrations sound high, slow ones sound low. Amplitude controls loudness. Bigger vibrations carry more energy and sound louder. And without a medium like air, sound cannot travel at all. Pluck a guitar, and you hear waves at work. A thin, tightly tuned string vibrates very quickly, producing a high frequency and a high pitch. A thick, looser string vibrates slowly, giving a low frequency and a deep pitch. Pluck harder, and you add amplitude, so the note grows louder while the pitch stays the same. One instrument demonstrates frequency and amplitude perfectly. Stand in a canyon and shout, and a moment later you hear yourself again. Your voice sends sound waves racing through the air until they strike the distant rock wall and bounce back, just as a ball reflects off a surface. The delay you hear is simply the time the wave took to travel out and return. That reflection of sound is what we call an echo. Here's the wrap-up. Waves transport energy without transporting matter, described by wavelength, frequency, and amplitude. Sound is a longitudinal wave that needs a medium such as air. Its frequency sets the pitch we hear, and its amplitude sets the loudness. Waves can also reflect, giving us echoes. From guitar strings to canyon shouts, these few ideas explain every sound around you. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.